Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is SHAHRAZ AFROZ. I am originally from Hyderabad, India, and currently residing in Riyadh. I have a degree in electronics and communication engineering. I wasn't comfortable with the idea of working outside every day, and I longed for a path that aligned more closely with my values. As I began studying Islam more deeply, Hijama therapy came into my life unexpectedly, and it completely resonated with me. I enrolled in a diploma in Hijama therapy, and Alhamdulillah, the Online Academy had designed it in a very comprehensive and beginner friendly way. To be honest, I never imagined myself studying subjects like anatomy and physiology. I had zero interest in them before. But learning them through the lens of prophetic medicine gave it a whole new meaning. I actually enjoyed it because it wasn't just academic, it was connected to healing, purpose, and faith. Now, as a certified hijama practitioner, I'm blessed to help others through this beautiful sunnah practice. It has given me not only a skill but a fulfilling way to serve the community, all while staying rooted in my identity and beliefs. Our mentor Faiza Ages uniquely tailored the syllabus. This is a very comprehensive course and extremely detailed. It was well worth the investment of time and money into this course. It has surely made me an expert in hijama. Uh, Online Academy is one of the leading and trending provider. It has made me financially independent. Alhamdulillah, I'm earning way better, being in my comfort. The courses are well suited for beginner level as well as practicing professionals looking forward to enhance knowledge. Jazakallahu khairan kasiran.